Okay, so now this is the 11th in this playlist series, and we're going to look at how to update your active codes. And this is, do you want to stop repeating the same patterns? Like I say, if you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting what you always got. And it's not until you get sick and tired of feeling sick and tired, and as opposed to just staying, getting bitter and twisted, stop and reflect what what is it that you need to do different and reflect on it. So to update the active codes in your life, start by mapping your patterns. So here's some good questions. So write these down. Pause the video and get your journal and write these questions down. What keeps repeating in my life? What did I inherit from my parents that I'm living out? The things that we used to criticize our parents about, how they operated, and then one day you find yourself saying and behaving just like they did. And sometimes it can be quite mortifying because you had always said to yourself, well, I'm never going to do that, or I'm never going to say that to my children. And then you hear the words coming out of your mouth and you think, well, where did that come from? So, what do I do in relationships that looks a lot like what they did, whether it's with your partner or your children or your work colleagues? What's the pattern? Name the pattern and trace it back. Where have you seen that pattern before? It might be, oh, that's the way granddad always behaved, or that's the way granny behaved, or mum, or uncle, whoever. And then ask the crucial question: is this mine to keep? Is this my pattern? And actually, often you'll see it's not actually me, and it's not how I particularly want to be. It doesn't fit for me in my life here and now. It might have fitted for them back then in their life, but it doesn't fit for me. Or is it time to update this code rather than say, oh, well, that's just what they said. That was just the way they were. This is just the way I am. Is it time to update this code? And once you recognize a pattern as inherited rather than it's essentially you, you create a space to choose. You have a choice now. Actually, is that what I want to pass on to future generations? And do I want to pass that kind of energy on? So, in the next video, we're going to look at the question that shapes your legacy. So, bye for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.